Wake up time.
Lina, wake up, dear.
5 more minutes, Mom.
No, sweetheart, it's a school day. You can't be late.
School day already. I feel so sleepy.
You slept late last night, my girl.
I was doing my homework, Mom.
I know, but morning comes on time.
Okay, I'm waking up slowly.
Wake up, Lina.
I'm sitting now.
Good girl. Stretch your arms.
Ah, this feels nice.
Morning stretch gives your body energy for school.
Then I need extra energy today.
Look at your hair. It's messy, like a little bird's nest.
Mom, not again.
I'm serious. You need a good brushing today.
Can we do it quickly? The school van comes fast.
Yes, after brushing teeth.
Mom,
Yes, baby.
can I get a morning hug first?
Of course. Come here.
This hug makes me feel awake.
That's why morning hugs are magic.
Then please give me one more.
Okay, one more hug.
Now I'm feeling better.
Good. We need to be quick today.
Why?
Because the school van comes at 8:30.
Oh, I almost forgot.
Come on, let's start your morning routine.
Wait, Mom.
Yes?
Can you carry me like a baby?
No chance. You have a school bag, not a baby bottle.
Ha ha ha, you caught me.
Come, sweet girl. Let's go brush your teeth.
Race you.
Lina, no running.
Too late.
Lina, come inside. Let's start brushing your teeth.
Mom, do I have to brush today also?
Yes, dear. Every single day.
But my teeth look clean.
Looking clean and being clean are different.
Okay, you win.
Here, take your toothbrush.
Where is my toothpaste?
Right here. I already put a little on your brush.
Thank you, Mom. You know I put too much.
Yes, you squeeze like you're making a toothpaste volcano.
Hee hee, true.
Start brushing now.
Brushing sounds hum.
Brush softly. Not too hard.
Am I brushing right?
Yes, up and down. Circle. Circle.
I always like the bubbly foam.
It means your teeth are getting clean.
My mouth feels like a bubble factory.
Good. Keep brushing.
Can I rinse now?
Yes, rinse and spit.
Spits are fresh.
Good girl. Now wash your face.
With cold water?
Yes, cold water wakes you up.
It shocks me every morning.
That's the point.
Splashes face are cold.
See? Now you're awake.
Mom, look. My hair is messy again.
After brushing teeth, we will fix your hair.
Yay, you make my hair soft.
Because I comb gently.
Not like that.
Yes, he combs like he's fighting with your hair.
Ha ha ha.
Okay, now time for a quick bath.
Quick. Why quick?
Because the school van timing is close.
Oh, I forgot the van again.
Come on, open the tap.
Water is warm today.
Good. Use soap properly.
Mom, the soap slipped.
It always runs away from your hand.
It's a naughty soap.
Yes, a very naughty soap.
Mom, Am I clean now?
Not yet. Wash your neck too.
Okay now?
Now you are clean.
I feel fresh like a flower now.
My morning flower.
Ah, Mom,
Come out, let's dry you quickly.
I like warm towels.
This one is warm.
Wrap me like a burrito.
Okay, burrito girl.
Mom, what's next?
Next is wearing your school uniform.
Yay, that's my favorite part.
Good, let's go to your room.
I'm ready, Mom.
Lina, come here. Let's wear your school uniform.
Okay, Mom, is my uniform ironed?
Yes, I ironed it last night. It's fresh and neat.
Good. I like wearing clean clothes to school.
Start with your shirt. Button it slowly.
Mom, the top button is tight. Can you help?
Sure, stay still. There you go.
Thank you, Mom. This button always troubles me.
Now tuck your shirt in properly.
Like this. I want it to look neat.
Yes, that's fine. Now, wear your skirt.
I can put it on myself, Mom.
Good girl. Now sit, wear your socks.
These white socks get dirty so fast.
That's because you run everywhere.
Running is fun, Mom.
Now wear your shoes. Try tying the laces.
Okay, I think I did it right today.
Yes, it looks good. Now comb for hair.
Comb softly, Mom. My hair hurts.
I'll comb gently. Don't worry.
Can you make 2 ponytails?
Yes, 2 neat ponytails.
They look cute.
Now take your water bottle and ID card.
Am I ready, Mom?
Yes, you're fully ready.
Yay! Let's go for breakfast.
Lina, come to the kitchen. Breakfast is ready.
What are we having today, Mom?
Toast, eggs, and milk. Something simple but yummy.
Yum! That's my favorite breakfast combination.
Sit here and get ready to eat.
Can I help? I want to be your little helper today.
Of course. Please put the plates on the table.
Done! I made it nice and neat.
Now take the toast from the toaster.
It's hot!
Be careful when you take it out.
The pop sound is always so fun.
Do you want butter or jam on your toast?
I want strawberry jam, please.
Here you go.
Can you spread it for me?
Sure, but you can try next time.
The eggs smell so good.
I scrambled them just the way you like it.
Can I try one?
Of course, but sit properly first.
They taste amazing.
Drink your milk.
Milk is boring.
It's important. It makes you strong.
Like a superhero.
Exactly, just like a superhero.
After breakfast, the school van will be here soon, right?
Yes, in about 15 minutes.
Oh no, I need to hurry.
Take your time, but finish your breakfast first.
Okay, I'm almost done.
Are you full now?
Yes, I'm really full.
Good, now go wash your hands.
I'm on it.
Lina, are you ready for school?
Yes, Mom. I have my bag and lunchbox.
Water bottle?
Packed and ready. Is the van here?
It'll be here soon.
Mom, check my hair.
It is perfect, my smart girl.
The van is here.
Yes, go ahead, but walk slowly.
Can you come to the gate with me?
Of course.
Good morning, Lina.
Good morning, Uncle.
Be careful.
I will.
One last hug?
2 hugs.
Okay.
Bye, Mom.
Bye, my love. Have a great day. Mornings teach us many small lessons. Today, I watched Lina do her morning routine. She woke up, brushed her teeth, washed her face, tied her hair, ate her breakfast, and got ready for the day. These look like simple things, but for a child, every small step is learning. And for a mother, every small step is a moment of pride. Today, Lina was not lazy. She was not slow. She tried to do everything on time. She asked questions, she smiled, she learned. As a mom, I felt happy. I felt like, yes, my child is growing, not only in age, but in habits. To all my beginner English zone viewers, your English journey is also like Lina's morning routine. Step by step, one small action, one small word, one simple sentence. Every day. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be regular, like morning routines. So keep learning, keep practicing, and keep improving yourself gently. Thank you for watching today's story. See you in the next video, my dear learners.
If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to Beginner English Zone.